Hi guys, welcome back to CRD. Today we are going to learn how can we make a Telegram bot with using Dialogflow. As you can see, I'm just talking to my bot as it is responding just after a second. I'm typing here, what is your YouTube channel name? Then it is responding, available courses are. As you can see, it is responding and it's working fine on my Telegram. And it is my bot trained for CRDN Education Hub. You can make by your own for your businesses. So for this, you will have to go to my YouTube channel first and go through this video how to make Facebook Messenger bot, in which I have told you that what are the previous steps. You will have to log in here on dialogflow.com. As you can see, let me go here on my dialogflow.com here. And now here, after login with your Google account, go to console. And here create some intents. Here you can use default welcome intent and default fallback intent, because these are given freely by Dialogflow for your system. Now I hope you have gone through this video and you have now on this step. So you will have to go to integration, and under integration you will have to switch on this Telegram. I have switched off this, and as you can see, when I am bot, let me talk to my bot again with hello or anything, then it is not responding because I have switched off my Telegram bot. Okay, so you will have to switch on this Telegram bot, and after this you will have asked for enter your Telegram token. Okay, so we'll have to get this Telegram token. So how can we get this? And for this you will have to go to your Telegram and search here for BOTFATHER, bot father. Okay, so click on bot father and here ask for help. Okay, so after help it will show some links here, and here you will have to go to new bot. Okay, as you can see here is new bot option. So let me click on new bot. Okay, sorry, new bot, and here it is showing me that alright, a new bot. How are we going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. Okay, so let me choose a bot here, and I'm naming it to demo1x or z, demo1z underscore bot. Okay, so let me hit enter, and here good. Now let's choose a username for your bot. Okay, that name will be my bot name, and same is for my bot. So let me type here demo1z underscore bot. Okay, that's done. And here as you can see, it has provided me a Telegram access token here with HTTP API. So let me copy this and paste it here. So let me paste here and go to start. So after starting, it is showing me that boat was started. Okay, now let me go on my boat on my Telegram here. So my boat name is t.me demo1jet underscore boat. So let me go here, and you can see here that it is showing me demo1jet underscore boat. So we can start here. So let me type here hi, and after this it is messaging me greetings, how can I assist. Now courses available on CID. So it is showing me like this. I have trained this for these things. Okay, now you have understood better way how can we make this, and you can also do some settings for your boat. So you can go to again boat father and type here help, and then it will show you some things here, like you can set the name again, change the name, and set description, set about test, user pick. Let me change the user pick, that means boat picture. So let me click here, and it will show me that what is the boat for which you are going to change the picture. I have two boats here, 10118 underscore boat, which is my actual boat, and here I have created here demo1jet boat with front view. So let me click here, and it is showing me that send a profile photo for which you will have to set. So let me go here, and I have to select a boat. So let me select the boat here and send it. So it has set. So let me go here again on demo1jet underscore boat, and as you can see here that it has changed my boat picture. I hope you have guys understood the things, and you have made your Telegram boat very clearly. So enjoy.
If you are new to our channel, then please do subscribe this channel so that you will have notifications about new videos ASAP. And if you like this video, then don't forget to share this video to your social media account so that your friends will also be get beneficiated. Thanks for watching.